Obviously dressed to go. It is a ripe and early, like 6 o'clock. I woke up at 5 because I am packing to go to a day at Keukenhof, so I need to get all my necessities done, and yeah, I'm just gonna probably show you around. I'm getting out a lot later than I should have. I was supposed to be out at 5:30. It's now 6:45. Yay. Finally started. So, yeah, basically, I'm just probably gonna fast forward because me biking 3 hours, it's not gonna be fun. Okay. I'm dying right now. It's terrible. I'm still an hour and like 20 minutes out, and I'm in so much pain. And it's packed. Like, I found a relatively quiet spot to film this, but it's so busy. Like, there are lines for everything. gone lost. I also got, as you saw, tulips. And my tire broke. Oh, I'm not sure where now. I know where I am. But my tire broke, so this nice man had to help me. And I cried in the street.